in the near future. XRP is predicted to hit $589. Many XRP enthusiasts believe the token will eventually reach $589 and even higher. According to the Twitter account Ripple XRP, because XRP is used all over the world, it has proven to be resistant to all forms of attacks. You don't believe us, do you? Do you make a point of staying until the very end to find out why? Most XRP supporters feel that after the coin is fully adopted by all banks, the forecast of $589 for XRP is more likely to come true. However, it needs to be seen whether the SEC will dismiss the Ripple case. To be honest, the courtroom sessions have been very quiet, and our best guess is that they're trying to strike an agreement. True, the SEC's case against Ripple isn't particularly solid, and this is one of the primary grounds for the agency's decision to settle. Anyway, let's move on to something more enjoyable. BitBoy went live on Altcoin every day to provide his take on what's going on in the XRP bit world. He continues, there are now XRP content producers who are completely focused on addressing XRP news. That's how he found out that XRP is headed for $589. For one thing, Boy believes that this coin will reach those levels, and he is preparing his wallet to profit on such a buyer. But here's the thing, this kid doesn't believe the coin will reach that level this year. That figure, he believes, is currently unattainable, but XRP will eventually achieve it. We've seen this coin, though, accomplish incredible acts. It has maintained a price above $1 despite the continuing lawsuit and delisting by a number of exchanges. Right now, that's a resounding victory and a near impossible task for any cryptocurrency. Furthermore, Bitcoin expects that in 2020, XRP will reach the two-digit threshold. However, the boy goes on to say that it isn't an issue of which bank will accept a coin first. Soon, all of the banks will be on board, and they will all want a piece of the pie. When that happens, everyone in the XRP world will profit handsomely, and no one will be able to stop it. In addition, Raoul Pal, an American wealthy entrepreneur, addressed the necessity of digital investments in an interview. He was caught talking about some basic financial advice that everyone should think about. As horrible as the pandemic has been, according to Mark Cuban, I've talked about firms that will be remembered in 10 to 15 years as being formed during this period. New ideas and businesses will develop as a result of this epidemic, ushering in a new period known as America 2.0. The emergence of blockchain technology and the firms that will emerge as a result will be one of these. According to the billionaire, what we're seeing right now is a collective effort and the foundation of blockchain-based applications that people trapped at home can use to make money. Just turn the game around. When the virus hit, the entire world was put on lockdown. Many people lost their jobs, and many people were forced to rely on their financial assets to survive. And a lot of people were scared because they couldn't make any money sitting here. Many novice crypto investors have looked into the idea of investing their money in order to make it work for them instead of lying inert in their bank accounts. These people have only lately started investing in cryptocurrencies. Mr. Cuban stated that if they are unaware of blockchain, they will be smacked and made to bleed. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records cryptocurrency transactions. People aren't interested in learning about the blockchain, XRP, or the role it will play in the future, like they didn't want to know about the internet. The billionaire continued, they aren't familiar with blockchain technology. It's like the early days of the internet, when no one knew what they were getting themselves into. Mark Cuban discussed the most common investment blunders and how a lack of understanding is a problem. He likened the current situation to the time when the internet was initially introduced and no one realized what it could do. It's worth noting that throughout his interview, Mr. Cuban mentioned XRP, which may have been an accident or not. The XRP coin is used by RippleNet, a digital payment network. The XRP ledger distributed databases attain their apex at this point, rather than a blockchain. The XRP ledger is open source and built on a distributed ledger database because it does not require mining. It is faster and more efficient at processing transactions than other cryptocurrencies. In addition, the consensus approach does not necessitate a large number of confirmations for immunity. Some of XRP's attraction stems from the nature of this ledger and consensus mechanism, qualities based on the evidence so far. Ripple will win the lawsuit, most likely in a settlement with the SEC. Ripple and its directors will be given a slap on the wrist in the shape of a small fine. But XRP will become the first cryptocurrency to be recognized as a non-security in the United States. This, without a doubt, will be the outcome. Then we're in new area, where any potential XRP user can go ahead and carry out their plans. Guys, Moomoo is a project that I discovered this week. Moomoo is a one-stop investment platform with a fantastic deal in December, so pay attention. Moomoo's purpose is to use technology to give an accessible and powerful investing platform to any level of investor. They keep increasing client experiences and driving industrial innovation on the entire trade process. And our innovative internet operating model, backed by independent technology research and development resources. Their fee is $0. They are now engaged in 2 major actions. The first is that during the promotion period, you can obtain 5 free stocks valued up to $3,500 each. This is how you do it. Create a user account. Get a chance to win one of 3 free stocks worth between $3 and $3,500. Make a one-time or recurring deposit of any amount. Take a free stock worth between $9 and $3,500 during the campaign time. Make a minimum net deposit of $2,000 to obtain 3 more free stocks worth $9 to $3,500. But it was there. You can win an iPhone 13 Pro with 260 gigabytes of storage, an Oculus Quest with 128 gigabytes of storage, or 1 share if you make your first deposit between December 6th and December 25th. Please see the link in my bio for more information. The transition to complete government and institutional recognition of XRP will be sluggish at first, but it will quickly turn into a flood of cross-border remittances. As if that weren't enough, the EU has already picked XRP as the most likely host for the EU CBDC, and other countries are expected to follow suit. The quadrillion-dollar futures will most likely be consumed by XRP. When one domino falls, the rest will follow in its footsteps. The case is still affecting the liquidity of the XRP cryptocurrency. As a result of the litigation, many US and European exchanges have delisted XRP, causing the coin to lose half of its value in December of last year and impeding Ripple's expected growth. XRP, on the other hand, is still traded on exchanges outside of the US, and users continue to buy anything with it. It's unlikely that the verdict in the 2020 lawsuit against Ripple's management will be reached before January 1, 2022. The price of XRP has been affected significantly by this case, and the situation is becoming more complicated. The XRP price dropped to a low of 17 cents in the local market. The court authorized the corporation to include the SEC as for internal records at the end of 2020. As the SEC litigation gained traction, at the start of April 2021, the XRP price hit a 3-year high of $1.11 on May 4th. The SEC threatened XRP holders with legal action, prompting investor engagement to collapse. The commission opposes the XRP securities recognition case. Despite this, the company's downfall was short-lived. Its board of directors now includes a former U.S. Treasury. In August, the price of XRP surpassed $1.25, according to the Economic Forecasting Service. The greatest price Ripple in the future months will be 64 cents, which is quite positive when compared to the Ripple's lowest point in July 2021. On December 16th coin, the Codex's technical analysis was unfavorable. There are a total of 13 bullish signs. Negative signals from teenagers are one of the indicators. The short-term future for XRP was gloomy, with CoinCodex predicting a price of $2.86 by December 21st, and Wallet Investor predicting a price of 14 cents by the beginning of 2022. Then 74 cents by the end of 2022. It will reach $2.37 at the end of 2022. By 2020, the price may have climbed to $3.60, and by the end of 2025, it may have risen to $3.60, according to the projections for 2022. The price of digital coin XRP would average $1.43 next year and $2.60 in 2025. By 2028, the price of XRP is expected to average $384, with the currency averaging $364 in 2025 and $23.32 by 2028. According to price projections, it's important to note that cryptocurrency markets are extremely volatile, making it difficult to predict a coin's price in a matter of hours, let alone over time. As a result, experts can and do make forecasts that are incorrect. Ripple is a smart investment that will pay off in 2020. Despite its NCC issues, purchasing Ripple in 2021 is a good idea if you're interested in doing some HODL. The cost is now not prohibitively high, but it may rise over time. If you follow Crypto Inspiration, it's still one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Look at the comments area to see how you can join our group.